All right, I just got off a flight with the first time trying out my new favorite in-flight best friend. It's these things. A viewer on YouTube suggested these I was mentioning that I have trouble with my ears, and often the descent is really painful for me with my ears. And he said, "Don't you use earplanes?" And I thought he said earplugs, and I said, "No, I don't use earplugs, but that has nothing to do with it." He said, "No, earplanes. Look them up. They're specifically for people who have trouble equalizing their ears. You wear them for takeoff, and then you can take them out and fly as normal, and then you wear them when you descend." And these saved me. It's great. My ears were not plugged up at all. I didn't have any pain in my ears, and I'm now taking these on every flight.